Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Fabiola Curran and today I'm going to show you how to cook a very delicious flan. What is flan? Flan is a baked custard with caramel on top and is normally served in special occasions like Easter, Christmas, birthdays, any type of celebration, and it's very popular in Latin American countries. Therefore, with the Hispanic population increasing in the US, flan started becoming very well known and very popular in America. Now let's talk a little bit about the history of the flan. It's believed that flan was originated in Rome, Italy. Now with the Roman Empire conquering countries in Europe, the European countries start knowing about it. It's just back in those days, the flan was supposed to be a salty dish made out of milk, eggs, and pepper. But the European countries ended up adding new ingredients like chocolate, honey, and it became sweet. And the French ended up naming it flan, which means flat. Now what you want to do is you want to put all the ingredients inside the blender. We started with the evaporated milk. Then we put up the sweet condensed milk. Oh, it's kind of very thick. So you want to use a spoon or fork to get it all out because as you see it's very creamy. Okay. Then you want to put 8 ounces of cream cheese. You put the whole thing on it. Then you put 3 eggs. 1, 2, and then 3. And then for vanilla, 1 tablespoon. But what I normally do, I just put it right here. And then just put it right there. That's what I use for measurements. And all you have to do now is just blend it for 1 minute. On the highest speed. You get it out of the oven. What you need to do is immediately grab a smaller knife and go through all the edges because it gets thick, and that way it's going to be easier for you to get it out. Then after that, you cool it for 10 minutes. You let it cool it because it's going to be really hot. But because we already cool it for 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip it. You get a baking sheet and you put aluminum foil paper on it, and then you just put it like that. And then you want to go ahead and put it very tight. And we just flip it over like that. And voila! It's ready to eat delicious. Well, I hope you really enjoy this incredible fun.